Winds had been carrying all that smoke east and west of Austin, due south and away from us. The winds dropped off, some of that smoke's drifted in. And then this morning we had a temperature inversion, cool conditions overnight, warm air aloft, it just trapped it down low. Some of that's mixed out today, and so the situation has improved some this afternoon. And the visibility looks real good out in Marble Falls right now, too. A live view from our Highland Furniture Center cam out there. You folks not dealing with it quite as badly as we have been here from the Austin area eastward. Temperatures this morning, they were awesome. 46 in Fredericksburg and several locations, low-lying spots in the hill country, even Barton Creek in western Travis County in the mid-40s this morning. 50 at the airport. Broke the record low by 9 degrees. But this dry air also heats up very efficiently, and this afternoon it did so. Mid-90s, 96 has been our high here in Austin this afternoon. 10% relative humidity. Fire weather conditions remaining very, very bleak for the area, with the exception of the winds that have died off. But they will increase a little again tomorrow, so the danger will be even higher. 6 to 10 mile per hour winds out there is all we have right now. Mold count today medium, and ragweed 88 is also medium. So if the smoke's not getting to you, it could be the ragweed showing back up here. There is a little disturbance that's moving out of the Rockies right now that will send a little wind shift line through the area tomorrow, increasing our north winds to at least 5 to 15 miles per hour. And so the smoke that we have in the area now and in the morning will then likely begin blowing south. So we could see some improvement there, although it'll be worse for, again, the fire weather conditions. Cool mornings, hot afternoons will just continue right on through the weekend, as this same pattern essentially remains stuck. And because it's stuck, our new tropical storm Nate down here in the southern Bay of Campeche isn't going to go much of anywhere anytime soon. In fact, look at the forecast track. Kind of does a little loop there, and slowly over the next 4 or 5 days, maybe works westward toward Mexico. But I want you to be very, very aware that this cone could shift easily, because some computer models do all kinds of different things with it. So we'll keep an eye on it. But right now, it does not look like it could affect our part of Texas with some good soaking rain. That's what we need, really, is a Category 1 hurricane moving on up in here, maybe. We have a new tropical storm out here, too. This is Maria with 50 mile per hour winds. Let me show you the forecast track of Maria. Likely to continue heading west toward the Lesser Antilles, and then maybe curving before it gets to the Bahamas. Could be an East Coast storm, but probably will curve off there to the Atlantic like Katia is doing. By the way, we haven't talked much about this. We've had so much to do here recently, but if it weren't for Katrina's name being retired 6 years ago, this would be Hurricane Katrina today. That was retired, so it's Katia. Katia will move off north of Bermuda, and they're off the east coast of the U.S. All right, tonight, 50s, nice again in the morning. Enjoy it early, because it will be as hot tomorrow afternoon probably as today, at least within a couple of degrees. Tonight, 62 in Austin, but cooler in most other locations, rural areas especially. Then tomorrow, sunshine still. We'll have another inversion set up in the morning probably before that wind gets here, so it could be smoky again in the morning, and then should see less of that on Friday. Temperatures back up into the mid-90s, and boy, I hate to show you this, but we're forecasting 100-degree weather again next week, possibly by Tuesday and into Wednesday. That's not what the Austin City Limits Festival goers are wanting to hear either, is it?
No, not at all.